So Mae Ynni Teg rili moyn cael y safle solar ar yr un maes ar y tyrbin gwynt. Oedd y tir gyda ni yn barod, oedd y cysylltiad gyda'r grid na yn barod, a oedd cyfle i ni cael mwy o pŵer mas o un safle i helpu'r cymuned mwy.
These two systems complement each other because the wind is generating its peak capacity during the winter. The solar will generate its peak capacity during the summer, so we marry those two together and it gives us a steady supply of energy throughout the year. Bwlchgwynt Energy Service have been extremely helpful right through from inception.
My role in the project is to support the project developer, Mae Ynni Teg in this case, from the initial concept design through the development of the project and eventually to the construction of the site.
In terms of advice for any other community energy groups, I'd say a thorough feasibility study, that it's realistic the project is and it can be achieved, and engaging with the contractor early on.
This is a replicable model that could be adopted by other community energy entities across Wales, and any new schemes that are being developed which would provide greater efficiency in terms of resources and greater local resilience.
So fi'n gweld y rôl o'r prosiectau ynni cymunedol yn y dyfodol yn pwysig iawn i Gymru i wneud siŵr mae elw ddim yn gadael Cymru a ni'n cadw elw yn y cymunedau. Na beth sy'n rili pwysig. Ni'n cadw yr elw a ni'n cael y penderfyniad a beth sy'n digwydd, ble mae'n digwydd a sut mae'n digwydd.
Well, this is a great example of the direction of community energy development for the future. It provides a fantastic blueprint for other organisations to develop projects of a similar nature.